Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have another unboxing for you from my subscription Allure. This box is for the month of April. As I mentioned before on my past video that I didn't get any box for the month of May even though it was my birthday. So I decided to skip May and I'm gonna be getting the one for next month. Something that I really like, well, let's say that I like and I dislike. Allure doesn't give you any spoilers or anything like that, at least for what I know. They don't really give you spoilers or any sneak peeks on what's coming for the next month. So it's a total surprise and that's what I like. So it's just me having to calm down a little bit, be patient, because I really want to know what is gonna be on that box. You know, you at least want to know one thing, but that's how Allure does it, and I like it. So it's totally gonna be a surprise, so I can't wait for tomorrow. With that being said, if you want to see what I got for my box of April, then keep watching. So let's see what I got. This is what the box looks like, and we're gonna open it. It comes with this little pamphlet where it shows you each item and description, and here it is, the box with the products. So let's see, the first thing I received, and this is basically a trial size, is this Amica dry shampoo. I don't really use dry shampoo, but I mean, it's always good to have one just in case. This is, I've heard, is a really good brand, so I'm excited to have that. We got the next one is another trial size, is called Real Ferment Micro Essence from Neogen Dermalogy, I think that's how you spell it. And so it's for sensitive skin. It looks like it's a toner, so I never have tried or heard of this before, but if it comes in Allure, I trust them. So I will be trying it out and see what it is like, and see if I like it. You never know, you might discover a nice product, especially coming from a box like this where basically they share with us top products that people already like. So let's see, I have another one. This is a Dewy Primer XXL Dewy Long Lasting Primer from the brand The Beauty Crap. It sounds familiar to me, but I never used this before. And it says restores skin and hydrating. So I will be happy to use it through the summer. I mean, it sounds like it should be a summer item because it's a melon jelly. So we'll see how it works out. I like anything dewy through the summer and also through the winter. When I was younger, I used to have a very oily skin, and I definitely didn't need this stuff like this, anything dewy, because I already have dewy skin. But now, as I'm aging, you know, and the weather as well, since I moved away from California, my skin have changed as well because of aging and because of the weather. So it's been way more dry, or let's not say fully dry. My skin is like mixed, so some parts are dry, some parts of my face are still oily. So it's a little bit of a challenge, but I still love to use some dewy products. And this is what the container looks like. Let's open it up and find out if it has the scent of watermelon. I'm curious. And it looks very liquid as well inside of the tube. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, and it does not smell like watermelon. Let's see. Here it is. And wow, it is very liquidy. So non-sticky. I don't know how this is a primer, because it's very, very light. Now it feels a little bit sticky, but it does not smell like watermelon. I'm a little disappointed with that. I was expecting more of a natural watermelon, not like a scented, you know, chemically scented. I was expecting something natural scent watermelon, but it's not. I don't know what they call watermelon jelly then. Never mind, it is not watermelon jelly. It's melon jelly. And it still doesn't smell like melon. It's still doesn't smell like melon. So why did I say watermelon? I have no idea, but it says melon jelly and does not smell like melon. It was not sticky at the beginning, then it got a little bit sticky, and now that it's fully dry pretty quick, it does not feel sticky. It's pretty light and very thin. I don't know how this will perform as a primer, but I will let you know because I am intrigued about that. And the next item I have is this Violet. Is a 99% bacteria free, basically like a blender, and the brand is UV. Let's open it up and see what it feels like. It feels just like the other ones. You know what? Actually, this one does feel more like the Beauty Blender. It doesn't feel as stiff as other brands I have, like the one from Elf and another brand. I think it might be Araceli Beauty. This one feels different, a little bit more like the Beauty Blender. So we'll see how it works. This is what it looks like. It has a little name of the brand on the sponge. And let's go for the next item. It comes in a little bubble wrap like this, and is the Saint Lux Liquid Glow. This is what the box looks like. And the container, let's take a look. It's really fancy and cute. I never have tried anything like this before in any brand, but I feel like I want to use it on my body, like on my chest area and neck bone area. I feel like I want to use it there, especially during summer. And let's open it up. It comes with a little duffel applicator, kind of like the ones that come in on the lip glosses. And let's try it out on my hand. And wow, it's very nice. Feels very soft and liquidy. I definitely can see myself using it on my body. And I'm assuming this is considered a full size. For what I know, Allure gives you at least three full-size products. So this is the second one. The sponge is the first one. Is considered a full size. This is the second one, and then we go for this one. I don't think this is a full size, but I believe this is a deluxe sample. This is a pretty nice size. Is the Elta MD Skincare UV Sheer Broad Spectrum SPF 50, transparent zinc oxide, UVA protection, water resistant, 80 minutes. And this is what the product looks like. And yeah, it has expiry date of November of this year, so I have to make sure I use it this summer. And let's put a little bit on my hand right here. I want to see if it smells too strong as a SPF. It has a light scent and is hydrating. Well, I'm putting it on top of the other products, but I can tell that it's hydrating. It feels light and it doesn't smell overwhelmingly, you know, like some protectors out there. So this one, I'm definitely gonna be using it a lot. And last but not least, I got the one that I'm the most excited for, and this Osea Essential Hydrating Oil. This Osea brand, I've been hearing about it, and actually saw on a Allure video, I saw Camila Cabello going through, I guess, her night routine or day routine, something like that, and she was pretty much applying all the products from this brand. So it is a brand from California, I believe. Yeah, it's made in California, and it's clean, vegan, and cruelty-free and gluten-free. So I am excited to try it out, and let's take a look. It says, as I'm opening the box, it says seaweed looks good on you. So that tells me that it has seaweed in it, and it's good for massaging your face and neck after cleansing. Use morning and night. This is what the container looks like. And let's take a look. Of course, this is a full-size item. It is very liquidy, runny type of oil. It's not like thick at all, as you guys can see. It has a very strong scent, very strong, natural, but very strong scent. And I like it. I would not use it. Honestly, I will not use it on my face during the day. As you can see, it is very, very oily. I mean, it's an oil, but I don't want to be this shiny. So I will use it on my face more like at night. I really like to go to sleep with a shiny face. So I will be using it at night, and we'll see how it goes. It says that it has a blend of 8 essential oils, visibly plumps the skin and reduces appearance of fine lines. Jojoba and macadamia oils deliver all-day moisture for a glowing complexion. Yeah, for sure I will use it at night, like I said, just because of the scent and the fact that it is a little too shiny to have it on my face. And that was it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you own already any of these items and you have any tips and tricks for me, any advice or comments to say about these items, please don't forget to leave it in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. I send you lots of besos wherever you are, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!